it's Alyssa from Romewise, your go-to guide to Rome, and today we are not in Rome. We are at Santa Marinella. This is a beach just north of Rome by train, and as you can see, I'm here in February. It's just beautiful today. It's a sunny, beautiful, warm day. It's going to be in the high teens, which means probably in the mid-60s, I guess, and it's a lovely place to come any time of year. As you can see, it's a living city, so it's open. Restaurants will be open. We're going to find a nice place for some seafood, have a little walk down there on the sand, maybe even get our feet wet. So let's see what's to see in Santa Marinella. Here we go. So here at Termini, you have a lot of action, people coming and going, a lot of security, and tons of tracks. So to catch the regional trains, which is what we want to do to go to the beach, we have to go what is called Varco C, which is the sea area. So because we're getting a regional ticket, we're not going to get those from the kiosks, and we're going to get it here at the newsstand. You just walk up and tell them where you want to go. Make sure to get a round trip ticket, because that way you already have your ticket for when you come back and you don't have to worry about repeating the procedure once you're there. And when it's a regional train like this, you've got to validate your ticket. So you need to realize that these trains are considerably far back from the main station. You've got to give yourself plenty of time to get to where the tracks are. So I would say at least 15 minutes extra. This is the machine you want to use to validate your ticket. We have to validate, or you will risk a very hefty fine on the train. Well, if you just turn right from the train station, you come to the ocean. We're here in winter, so it's pretty quiet. So here we are at the beach, down on the beach. Just took my shoes off, started to walk a little bit in the water. It's so beautiful. It's not summer water, it's not summer weather, it's cold, but it feels amazing to stick my feet in the water and feel them on the sand. And it's lovely to be here this time of year when there's really nobody here. The beach is pretty empty, some people walking dogs and just enjoying the day like we are. So I'm definitely all for coming to Santa Marinella in the summer and enjoying the beaches here, but it will be packed in summer, starting in about May, June, and by September or so, you will start to see the beach emptied out. And here we are in February, but the beach is open, it doesn't shut. It's just that there are no establishments where you can, rent a lawn chair or eat on the beach. But we're gonna find something and just enjoy this beautiful day. These cute little buildings, pink, all these balconies. Zoe and I just had the most amazing meal at this restaurant called L'Acqua Marina, and it's actually named for the owner of the restaurant, whose name is Marina. We found out about it because we went down to the port and asked the fishermen, where should we eat lunch? And they told us that this is where they supply all the fish. So you better believe it is fresh fish. Zoe, who's vegetarian, actually vegan, they were happy to make some options for her as well. I enjoyed the fish very much. It was super fresh and a beautiful location. In this moment, they don't have the patio open for dining, but I can tell it's coming up pretty soon, so this would be a great place to eat outside in the right weather. And I would say that right now, low season, middle of the week, it was pretty full. So in high season, you're gonna wanna book ahead to come eat here. So Acqua Marina, definitely come check this out if you visit Santa Marinella. All right,
So post lunch here at the port at Santa Marinella, and just about to take a little walk around. There is a castle here called Odescalchi, which is named for the Renaissance era family, very wealthy family that had this castle built up here. And we cannot go inside this castle. You can go in if you choose to have a wedding there. They use it to host weddings. But it's still a pretty landmark, and we're gonna just walk around it and just get some pretty views of the port and the city. So that concludes this day trip to Santa Marinella. We've just had the best day. We arrived here at this gorgeous beach, and at this time of day you've got that beautiful light. You can see there are just a few people down on the beach having a little stroll. We have just loved it. We came and walked around, enjoyed the port, enjoyed the cats everywhere, and especially enjoyed the sea air and the sounds and the feeling you know, of taking your shoes off and sticking your toes in the water even in February, believe it or not. So definitely recommend a day trip to Santa Marinella any time of year. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please hit like below if you did, and subscribe, and we will see you at the next video. So ciao for now.